Let's see about MongoDB. MongoDB is nothing but a Mongo database section. MongoDB is an open source document database and leading NoSQL database. And MongoDB is usually written in C, C++, JavaScript, and PHP, and more for the users. And is a cross-platform. And moreover, its type is document-oriented structured database that provides high performance, high scalability, and easy availability. And MongoDB works on the concept of collection and documentation. And why should we use MongoDB? And the major use is document oriented storage, which is a more updated way of storing data compared to relational database structure, which we see in the later section. And index on any attribute. You don't keep any conditions or primary value, key value, and foreign key values. Can be assigned for any value index and attributes. You can store it in a like a XML format, like that way. In a JSON format, JavaScript object notation format, and replication and high availability. Replication is nothing but usually the MongoDB stores this data in multiple servers, which gives us high availability. Auto sharing is nothing but is stored in multiple machines, which gives high scalability. Which queries and GD is stored in multiple servers. It is fast in case updates, and professional support by MongoDB organization is given by the corporation. And this is the major difference between RDMS and MongoDB. In RDMS we will see as a database. In the same way, we see that as a database. In that we have n number of tables. We just have that as a collection, and we have that as a row, and then we have here as a document. So MongoDB is a collection and document. It's the concept of collection and document. There we will be using column, and here will be using field. Table join will be using inner join, outer join. This will be using embedded documents. Will be using primary key, and he is also using by primary key provided by the MongoDB itself. In RDMS, we will be using foreign key. Those features aren't by default aren't available in MongoDB. By maybe script working, we can use it. Okay. Where should we use MongoDB? Big data. Big data is the latest hype of the market, and it can be used in content management and delivery, mobile and social internet, data hub, user data management. Its main uses is Java. It's eliminates SQL, no SQL database. The main thing is it eliminates tables and rows complexity, n number of tables and n number of columns for a single document. Eliminates that and shows us a single collection and document. Very simple. And you can see the schema difference between that. For a consider as a blogger website, will be using a separate table, separate key value, separate functions. For post, you will be having separate ID key value, separate tables and its contents. If you see this MongoDB, actually will be processing MongoDB in a command prompt. After installing in a C, you will be like you doing an execute in Java function. Like you will be going to set up path and find that binary file. The same way you will be commanding it and command prompt. See ID post ID. See title of the post, distribution post description goes well. Very simply, for any attribute, your index value can be assigned. So in a single document, it's a MongoDB value is done. It's as simple as it is. And to create a database name, you will be using this method. Use database name to show the current database list. You use this method. See, there are the used example is local and test database argument. To drop means to delete. To delete, you will be using db.drop database. Okay, and to create a collection. Collection means what? Collection means table. In MongoDB, it relates to table. Okay. To create collection, you will be using this method. db.create selection. My collection you will be using is your name. Okay. And to drop a method, you will be using this drop dot method functionality. And Mongo database GPS as a database, as you learned in SQL and DBMS or DMS, same string, character, boolean, min, max keys, arrays, timestamp, object, null, symbol, data, object ID, binary data, code, regular expressions, and also rule mapping also can be done in MongoDB. These are the data types. And to insert in table column name, we'll be using this method insert. This is your document name. This highlighted blue color says syntax. This is a predefined one you have to use. This is the variable varying file name, collection name we will be using. And to find will be consider you will be creating a hurry.collection. To find the collection in your database, just use this method db.hurry.find. It will show the method. Okay. What is this pretty.find? Pretty will display the result in a formatted way. You can use pretty.method. And update and save. You can just look and can yourself estimate it is same as we used in RDMS SQL. Only its semantics changes. In command prompt you will be typing column name dot update selection criteria, update data, update field. Using if you want to remove a method, this remove is used to accept two methods. And one is deletion criteria, and second one is just flag one. Just flag one is nothing but saying true, false. It is removed, true. One. It is removed. If it isn't removed, it will show 0, false. Okay, see. Same we are removing just one. Okay. The limiter function is in finding and limiting the methods, and one type argument which is number of documents that you want to be displayed. See, I want to say 4 number of documents, find 4 number of documents, and the limit is 4. I will say say I've been storing bank details, and number of details I've been storing. I want this policy branch details. Only up to 4 areas I need. You can limit with that. Skip method is used to skip. Start method you can use to start ascending or descending orders. Okay, ensure index gradient ensure method of the key will be ensure an index. You will be using this method. Aggregate. As you have seen in SQL, aggregate functions are nothing but sum, average, min, max, push, add to set, and first lot. Sum nothing but sums of average is nothing but average values in a collection. Minimum is nothing but minimum value in this whole table can be highlighted with this content. Maximum will push, and it does a so wide range of use. Can be used in Java, PHP, CSC, C++. And if you see in means check, this is one of the component. MongoDB is one of the component used in means check. Means check, MongoDB is used as a service to host this data. Means check full form is being by MongoDB Express JS, AngularJS, Node.js. Okay. Thank you. I hope you like my presentation.